Okay, it's been about 15 hours since I mixed this dough up yesterday, and I've got it at 74 degrees Fahrenheit. So I was using a little bit warmer temperatures than the 72 degrees Fahrenheit. See how the dough's doing here. I had the lid on this container cracked so it wouldn't build up as much heat inside. Feels nice and warm though. Very nice window pane. So I only folded this once at 10:30 p.m. last night. So I mixed at 5 p.m. I folded once at 10:30 p.m. Then I put the dough in this proofer at 74 degrees Fahrenheit. The dough was mixed up at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've kept it pretty warm the whole time. I'll go ahead and make some loaves now, and we'll do a final proof and bake off today. Really, really nice, fluffy, airy dough. You can see the gluten strands here. So this is going to make some really nice, sour, tangy sourdough, very much like the San Francisco style sourdough breads. It's at 70% hydration. Just a little bit sticky, not too bad. So I'll divide this into 2 pieces and we'll do some pre-shaping. So we've got approximately 860 grams of dough here. Let's see approximately how warm that dough is. The dough is approximately 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius. Let's do a pre-shape and get our dough going for the day. Dough is a little bit sticky. I'm going to wash my hands because when you have your hands look like that, the dough sticks even worse. So this is our San Francisco style sourdough, and the do-nothing method of not kneading it and only folding it once helps to keep the starch membrane intact so that it doesn't break early. I'll let go of its sugars, and the sugars are available for longer later, which helps you get a nicer color in your crust. This is a new way I've been shaping boules, and I really like it because the folding gives it more strength, at least it seems to. A little bit nicer oven spring when you fold it over like that. Okay, we've got 2 loaves here. Really big bubble there. We've got 2 loaves pre-shaped there. And I will wait about 20 minutes and then we'll come back and final shape them and put them in the bannetons.